Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Merrimack Street Volvo in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2022 Volvo XC90 T6 Momentum. Absolutely gorgeous car. Looks great. Dual super and turbocharged engine, 316 horsepower, 295 pound-feet of torque. Climate pack, advanced pack, metallic paint, upgraded wheels, Harman Kardon sound, for a total of sticker price $65,360. Where you put the colors on this Volvo? Onyx black, metallic over black. Not bad. But without further ado, let's go for a drive. See what this thing's all about. Panoramic sunroof. So, this is a super and turbocharged engine. How on earth does that work? Very good question. So, at low RPM, the supercharger provides that instant torque, well, not instant torque, but that low down torque that is a huge benefit to supercharged engines versus turbo, where there is that little bit of lag. But around, I think it's 3,500 RPM or so, a clutch engages and it swaps over to a turbocharger. So in that low RPM range, you have the benefits of a supercharger, and the high RPM range, you have turbo. Essentially, with this powertrain, there is no lag. It's instantaneous through, not instantaneous, I'm saying the wrong words. It is torque through the whole power band. Yep, 4,000 RPM is when the turbo takes off. What essentially this allows Volvo to do is put a larger millimeter turbo on the car, because manufacturers often have to put small turbos to reduce lag. So it allows Volvo to put a bigger turbo on it, not worry about lag, and improve high-end power. Very, very smart idea. And the Swedish people are great engineers. That's why Volvo was the first one with a 3-point safety belt. They're one of the safest cars out there, and it's just because the Swedish are good at engineering cars. Now keep in mind, as some of you know, I daily drive a Hellcat. That has supercharger whine. This though, it does, but it's very faint. can barely hear it. Although, in a 3-row SUV, I'm perfectly okay with any bit of supercharger whine. Honestly, I'm impressed with these things. At the price point, $65,000, it provides the luxury I need, engineering and safety that you should expect in all cars for 2022. And it is fun to drive. I like it a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.